Another visual effect is a spotlight. Drag and drop it on your image. You can see it creates a spotlight. This is a light source, and this is its focus and target that you want to bring there. If you go in settings, you can change the focus. You can see it's the focus in this place. First, you can change the color that you want, and you can change the opacity of that and brightness. Very simple. So you can change it. Like other parameter in Camtasia, you can animate it. If I tell you animation, you can animate everything in Camtasia with that. You can animate a source. You can see? Interesting. I will show you more about the animation. That's very important. You can animate everything in. So this is a spotlight. You can assign spotlight to your scene. For example, from here and another, I think, no, you cannot assign two visual effects at a time. This is a source and this is a target of that. You can move them. Make sure that you click this, not at the center of the video.